How to get Webroot Antivirus at 50% off. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to get the 50% discount on Webroot Antivirus. So without further ado, let us begin. So before we start, there will be a link in the description below that will allow you to avail the 50% off discount right here in Webroot Antivirus. So when you click on the link in the description below, you'll be redirected here. So in here, you'll get up to 50% off on the plan that you're planning to buy. So here are the plans right here. Okay, so in Webroot Antivirus, it has different plans. So it has two different plans right here. So we have the individual plan and the family plans. So first, let's start off with the individual plans. So first is we have the essentials. So this one is for one device, and you can save up to 25% if you buy this plan by using the link in the description below. So in here, it will cost you around $37.49 a month, and its original price was $49.99, so you can save $12. So its features are secure PCs, Macs, smartphones, Chromebooks, and tablets, always on protection for online threats like viruses, phishing, and ransomware, lightning fast scans without interruption, firewall and network monitor, web threat shield, so it blocks risky sites. And then for privacy protection, it protects logins and passwords. Moving on is we have the essentials for 3 devices. So this one will also let you save 25%. So it will cost you around $52.49. And then its original price was $69.99, and where you can save $17. So the features are the same with the essentials one device, but the only main difference is that this one supports 3 devices and the other one supports only 1 device. Moving on is we have the premium plan. So this one is suited for 5 devices. So in here you can save up to 40% off. So its price is $77.99 and its original price was $129.99. So in here you can save up to $52 if you avail for this 50% off discount by using the link in the description below. So the features are pretty much the same with the previous ones, but it has additional ones like under privacy and protection. It has eliminate traces of online activity and cleans up digital clutter. And then for identity protection, it has identity monitoring for one individual, dark web monitoring, financial and credit bureau monitoring, 24/7 base support with identity restoration experts, and up to $1 million fraud expense reimbursement. And the next is we have the last plan right here under the individual plan, which is total protection. So this one is supported up to 5 devices as well. So in here you can save up to 50% off if you avail for the special discount by using the link in the description below. So this one will cost you around $89.99. So its original price was $179.99. So in here you can save up to $60. So again, the features are pretty much the same with the previous ones, except it has additional features like VPNs for 5 devices and parental controls for privacy protection. And the next for identity protection, it's pretty much the same with the premium plan. And then it has an additional feature right here like data protection. So in here you can back up and restore with unlimited cloud storage for one PC or Mac device. So yeah, so that's pretty much for the individual plans. Moving on is we have the family plans. So under family plans is we have 3 plans right here. So first is we have the essentials for 5 devices. So in here you can save up to 25% off. So this one will cost you around $67.49 and its original price was $89.99. So in here you can save up to $22. So this plan's features are pretty much the same with the essentials plan right here, but this one it's suited for 5 devices. And the next is we have the premium family plan. So in here, it can suit up to 10 devices and 10 identities. So in here, you can save up to 40%. So the price is $149.99 and its original price was $249.99. So in here, you can save up to $100. And then its features are pretty much the same again, but it has additional ones like eliminate traces of online activity, cleans up digital clutter, and then for identity protection, it has identity monitoring for up to 10 individuals, dark web monitoring, financial and credit bureau monitoring, 24/7 US-based support with identity restoration experts, and up to $1 million fraud expense reimbursement. And then lastly is we have the total protection family. So this one is up to 10 devices as well, but in here you can save up to 50% off. So the price is the same with the premium family, and its original price was $299.99. So its discounted price is $149.99, which is pretty much the same with the premium family, but the total protection family has additional features. So when I scroll down right here, as you can see, it has data protection. So in here you can back up and restore your data with unlimited cloud storage for one PC or Mac. So yeah, so those are pretty much the differences right here with the plans of Webroot Antivirus. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below that will allow you to avail these special discounts when purchasing a plan right here in Webroot Antivirus. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.